So guys, I've just been on the plot this morning after doing the cider clean-up and everything, after making the hard cider. Well, I haven't made it yet, but should I say pressing the juice, pressing the apples. Anyway, I noticed 3 or 4 peppers had been lost to botrytis, so I thought, well, I better get them in. So this is the harvest of the giant monster bell peppers. The seed was sent by William Coleman over in Canada. But who can't be happy with that? I'm just going to have a little weigh-in, because that's absolutely mad. That's my last Savoy for now. And in that tub there, that's all the tomatoes, ripe and unripe. Okay, so we've got our scale set to grams. I'll try this one here. 396. Let's try another one to see. 305. One more. 289. Okay, but that's brilliant. I mean, that's just, look at that. I can't. It's only my second year growing bell peppers, and I'm just absolutely blown away by those. 396 gram. Fantastic. So guys, we're on October the 14th, and this morning I'm going to process these bell peppers. So first thing, we're just going to give them a rinse off, pat them dry, and then we're going to cut them up to put in the freezer. I'll just show you one from last year. So this is the last bag of peppers from, as I say, last year. So these are a year old, I guess, something like that, but they're absolutely perfectly fine. I'm actually going to take some out to use for a meal today. But basically, yeah, that's what we're going to do. Put them in, cut them up. I'll put them on trays, and then once they've started to freeze, we'll then put them in these Ziploc bags, and they keep no problem at all. So I've got the right ones. Just give water, say we'll just give them a rinse off, and then just pop them onto a tea towel and pat them dry before we cut them up. The green ones, that will leave them here. Hopefully they'll ripen. I prefer to get them to ripen, really, but I mean they're all right. The ones I just showed you out of the freezer were green, but we'll see if they ripen. That's the last of our tomatoes now. The greenhouses have been cleared out, so hopefully they'll continue to ripen for us. Right, we've got the peppers patted dry, got the board ready, some knives. There's one of our trays, put them on a tray like that. That'll, of course, anything like that goes in the compost. Scraping the seeds out there. Yeah, so then I just also got the seeds out, the core and everything, and just slice them up. Really? And then we'll start putting them onto the tray. Scar them around a bit. That's probably enough for that one. Right, and then we'll just put those in the freezer for, I don't know, a couple of hours, and then they should be firm enough then to pop into the Ziploc bags. Right guys, I've been in the freezer around about 3 hours. I've got my Ziploc bag. I've just put the month and the date, October 2021. And I've got this handy little, I don't know what it is, it's scraping dough maybe, is it, or something, anyway. But it's a really handy gadget. You're just loosening them. While these were freezing, I nipped down to the plot and I pruned my damson tree, and I pruned out the old canes, the fruited wood from the thornless blackberry. So I've just got a little bit more done. That's it. I'll get the other tray, and that'll probably fill that. That'll be enough in that bag. So these are the ones that I did earlier. We'll just top that back up, and then they can go back in the freezer, and we'll just carry on, you know, as and when they ripen. I'll just do another batch, and we'll keep going until you know, they're all done, and then hopefully that'll keep us going for quite a while. Right, catch you later.